Group developed the JS series twin shaft compulsory mixer with high mixing efficiency, good uniformity, good sealing performance, safety, and high reliability, etc. advantages. The mixer is mainly made up of the mixing system, beating systems, discharge systems, water supply systems, electrical systems, and other components. Mixing barrel is welded together, mixing cylinder liner inlaid with 5 kinds, with countersunk head screws are firmly coupled with the barrel, ensure the liner interchangeability. Spindle seal with new Changli patented sealing technology. Multiple seals, imported original seal, ensure the sealing reliability. Mixing blades adopt new generation of double helix with continuous stirring, replacing the traditional shovel blade mixing blades. Mixing time can be shortened more than 50%, and stirring evenness increases more than 15%. Mixing blades are with double helix shape. The spiral arrangement of the mixing blades curved to form a double helix and two opposite rotation axes, at the same time that the material vigorous radial and axial propulsion movement intensifies, making the material in the mixing bucket as a boiling status and mixed in the short time. Using top automatic lubrication pump, centralized lubrication for all parts, to ensure that the shaft seal durability. The spray device is designed in right above of the two spindles and parallel with them, making the host water spray mixing process more uniform. Pressure pump high pressure water jet can quickly rinse residues adhere to the two spindles. Keep the spindle always as clean as new. Power supply is with safety lock design for the sake of life respect.